Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to turn on your Windows optional feature for WSL or Windows Subsystem for Linux. So let's get started. Go to your settings. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn on our developer mode for Windows 10. This provides an efficient way for using your Linux subsystem. So turn this on, then first wait, it's loading, and after turning it on, it's going to turn on. So open your control panel. Go to programs. From programs, then as you can see here, there's Windows features on or off. Double tap, then wait for them to load. All these are optional features for your Windows 10. As you can see, mine is right here. So if you want to turn this on, just click on the checkbox and press OK. But some of you won't find it there because you don't have the latest version of Windows 10. So watch my other video on how to update this version of Windows 10. Link is in the description box. Thanks for watching. Xanitech, don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Thank you.